Good evening. Rahul Jha welcomes you, and today I'll be telling you about how to clear CUET General and English Language Test papers. So, today we will try to find how we can crack CUET entrance exam in best possible way. Today we'll be taking English and General Test paper. Now, there are 4 papers in this exam. Section 1 is language, section 1B language, section 2 domain subject, and section 3 general test. Section 1A is language paper where there are 13 different languages. Any of these languages can be taken. In section B, 1B also language is there, and there are 20 languages. Any of these languages may be chosen. 40 questions is to be attempted out of 50 in each language paper. Syllabus of language. Language to be tested through reading comprehension based on different type of passages, factual, literary and narrative, and literary aptitude and vocabulary. Section 2 is domain paper. There are 27 domain specific subjects being offered under this section. A candidate may choose any subject as desired by the applicable university, and 35 to 50 questions are to be done out of 45 to 50 questions that will be there. In section 3, general test will be there, and this paper will be like any such undergraduate program or programs being offered by university where the general test is being used for admission. So 50 questions you have to attempt out of 60. So from the above subject, language, candidates can choose maximum 10 subjects from all these 3 sections. Now, examination will be conducted on multiple days in 3 shifts depending on the number of candidates and subject choices. Test will be in CBT mode and it will be MCQ type. Now, physics, chemistry, mathematics, computer science, economics, accountancy, applied maths and general test will be of 60 minutes and rest of subjects will be of 45 minutes duration. So general paper, in this 50 questions are to be attempted. That is, every question carries 5 marks. This means that total 250 marks are available and time is about is exactly 60 minutes. Now for language, 40 question means 5 number for each question, that is 200 marks, and available time is 45 minutes. Now all question carries 5 marks and there is 1 mark deduction, that is -1 for any wrong answers. If you don't attempt any question, there is no negative marking. Now we'll talk about syllabus. For general test, general knowledge, current affairs, general mental ability, numerical ability, quantitative reasoning. In this, simple applications of basic mathematical concepts, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, mensuration, statistics is there, and then logical and analytical reasoning. So in general knowledge, India GK, which covers all static insight facts about central government schemes, revolution in India, Indian culture, Indian history, geography, and its diversity and polity in a worthwhile manner. Current affairs. For this, newspaper and current affairs. So you read newspaper and try to take all information about current affairs and keep yourself updated with current events by reading newspaper and current affairs magazines. General mental ability. It is based on abstract reasoning, numeric reasoning, and verbal reasoning. Now, primary mental abilities are verbal comprehension, spatial orientation, inductive reasoning. Numerical ability. In this, basic numeracy is there, and in this, square root, cube root, remainders, exponent and factorials, decimal, base to binary conversion, simplification and approximation, factorization, LCM and HCF, divisibility rules, surds, fractions, polynomials, unit digit calculation. You should go through all these. However, question can come and which is from vast topics. These are some topics which are most important, and about all questions can come from this portion only. The quantitative reasoning. It is ability to use mathematics and information to solve real world problem. Learning about quantitative reasoning may also help in solving non-mathematical problem. So now you can go through different videos on quantitative reasoning and make yourself acquainted with different type of knowledge and all possible knowledge on this subject, quantitative reasoning. So logical and reasoning and analytical ability. In this problem related to blood relation, coding and decoding cubes and dices, direction, sense, test, miscellaneous puzzle, logical Venn diagram, analytical reasoning, logic, decision making and problem solving. These are topics. Now in general mental ability, averages, ratio and proportion, percentage, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, time and work time, speed and distance, clock and calendar, surds, indices, logarithm, progression, permutations and combinations, probability, geometry, data interpretation, bar, column, graphs, tables, pie chart and data sufficiency. So I have taken many topics, and if you prepare for these, then you might get some question on this also. Now basic numeracy. Important topic for basic numeracy are as follows: HCF, LCM, ratio, proportion, mixture and time and speed and distance, time and work, averages, permutation and combination, Venn diagram. In language paper, 13 language will be there: Assamese, Bengali, English, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Punjabi, Odia, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. The reading comprehension test assesses a personal ability to read and comprehend written information quickly. The test will be strictly timed and you must utilize every second of this time, because you will always be short of time. So try to be as fast as possible. Now in passage there are three types of passage: factual, narrative and literacy. Now this passage will be approximately of 300 words there will be passage, some comprehension, synonyms, antonyms, vocabulary, verbal ability, and some points which will be tested here. Now students must know that this topic is taken in almost all classes, and students must have seen this question many times in their career in different classes. Same process is followed here. There is a passage and student must read it carefully once and twice and answer questions accordingly. If you read carefully, all answers will be from inside this passage only. So read passage once or twice or even thrice before giving answer. Understand each word of the passage and then try to answer. Passage will be from a topic which can be vast, but mostly current topics are taken and will be so simple that every students from different subjects will be able to understand this. In other words, level of difficulty will be adjusted so that student from every subject is able to understand this passage. Please do not be tense and always keep thinking that questions will be simple, because if you start thinking that paper will be difficult, then pressure will reduce your thinking ability, and instead of getting 100% from your mind, you will get only 60 to 70% solution in your mind. Time taken for solving will increase if you keep calm, and if you don't keep calm, the difference is that. So in case you are not under pressure, you will get more time and you will be able to solve more questions. In case you are tense, you will take more time for taking solutions, and in that case you will be left with less time and less number of questions you will be able to solve. So please not be tense and be very positive every time. Now, exam strategy. Study material is very important. Get the best study material for the exam. Look for books, online resources, and coaching materials that are recommended by previous toppers and experts and by your teachers. Time management. Create a study plan that takes into account your strength, weaknesses, and available time. Make sure that you have enough time to cover all topics. Revise and practice mock test. Here, mock test is very important. Regularly practice mock test to improve your time management skills. Identify areas where you need more practice and boost your confidence. More number of mock tests you give, more you will be confident, and you will be able to solve questions more easily and in lesser time. Here, last year paper are also very important. Few questions are always repeated. So you try for the last year paper, although these are not available, but you can talk to students who have appeared in last exams and try to take as many questions from them as possible. Now, in language, English can be very scoring. Many students have scored 200 out of 200. So English can be very good choice. Here I mentioned that 200 out of 200 marks are scored by approximately 75% girls and 25% boys. That means that performance of girls in English has been better than boys. But that doesn't mean that you don't see that this change from this situation. Next time 50-50% ratio can also happen. So there are chance for everyone to appear and perform best. So summary of our preparation is that we should study well for preparation, revise well, do mock test on different internet sites possible, be always confident and very positive, spend maximum time on quality learning and practice, be on lookout for more and more information from good books, internet, and from toppers who have done well in previous exams, and from your teachers. Stay healthy by taking regular exercise and best and simple diet, because if you are healthy you can learn more, you can read more and perform better. If these points are followed, then best performance can be achieved in language and general papers.